welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing some simple coffee table styling. My coffee table came in today. I ordered it from Target and I love it so much, you guys. I've been eyeing this coffee table for a while now and I am so excited to get it in the mail. So I am going to be giving you guys some simple coffee table styling for the spring season, and I hope that you guys get some information or inspiration from this coffee table styling ideas. I'm going to give you 3 different ideas and show you guys how you can create something very elegant, chic, and very stylish without breaking the bank. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and some lifestyle vlogs here and there. So if that's something that you are interested in watching, I do upload weekly, at least 2 to 3 times. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here. We have such an amazing group of people here, just a harmonious family, and I would love for you to become a part of that. Simply just hit that subscribe button and that's it. It's always free. Also, leave your name down in the comment section because I love to talk, and let me know where you are watching from. Comment down below and let me know how has this video inspired you and if you are going to try any of these simple decor ideas yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So these are the instructions for the coffee table, and isn't it so cute, you guys? I cannot wait to get it all assembled and put together and start decorating. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful piece. And so now I am just getting everything out of the box. Fun fact, whenever I assemble furniture, I do not read the instructions. I am a visual person, and so I can just look at the pictures of the instructions and kind of just put the furniture together. It's a weird thing. I know my husband thinks it's hilarious because sometimes I do get tripped up and I miss a step, or, you know, I have to go back and reassemble the item. But majority of the time I do visually, get the information from the paper and just put the project together. So that's what I'm doing now. This assembly was super easy. I mean, so simple. The instructions were pretty much accurate. It took me about maybe 10 minutes to put together. There are going to be some times when you saw that I wasn't really sure if the leg was supposed to go the way that it was, but it ended up that way. So I am super excited about it. now I'm going to go ahead and start decorating, and this is look one. I want something that's pretty much organic and natural and neutral. I know it's a coffee table, so I'm trying not to do, a lot, because my daughter Nyla, she will take everything, just snatch everything off the table. So I'm trying to just make it as minimal as possible. Plus, I don't want it to obstruct the view of the television. So I'm trying to do something as simple and as easy and clutter-free as possible. And I do love this look, you guys. Comment down below after you've seen all three looks and let me know what look did you think that I went with. But I love the way that this look turned out. And I feel like it would definitely work for a space that is an entertaining space, or maybe if your television is like mounted on the fireplace or on a wall. I think that this look would definitely work. I just put like 2 candle stands and a couple books and a candle from my girl Carlo Mingo home. And this vase filled with eucalyptus branches. And I think that the look is complete and it looks absolutely stunning. So let me know, what do you think about look one? So now look two is gonna be something completely different. I wanted a lot of pop. I wanted a lot of pop of green and color and pizzazz. And I feel like these hydrangeas, y'all, is giving me all the life. I really need to order some more because I just love the color of these hydrangeas. They're so vibrant and they're so elegant. I feel like they look so real, but at the same time, the faux look is so high end looking. And I love the way that it gives this vase. It's like it's just, it takes it up to a whole nother level. And the green tone on tone is, I'm here for it. I am all here for it. Y'all know I love greenery, and I'm more of a greenery person than a floral person, and hydrangeas are my favorite flower. And I love the way that this look. Now this is going to be on the table by itself. It's a simple arrangement, but it gives a lot of pop and a lot of attitude, and it elevates the space. So I feel like with some green pillows or some white pillows on the couch, this look will do so well in a living space or in an office or on a table. I just love the way that this look turned out. Now, with this look, I love these baskets, you guys. I got these baskets from Amazon, and I also got the hydrangeas from Amazon as well, and I love it. I feel like this basket filled with hydrangeas would totally do it, but I only had 4 of them. I am going to be ordering some more and fill this basket with hydrangeas. But I think that with this style, it looks so nice, you guys, with the natural weaving texture of the basket, the organic flow of the greenery, and the table itself. I feel like it has elevated my living room to a whole different level. And I can't wait to do like a completely spring decor, styling for you guys, and really get the new pillows in there and all the new textiles and everything, because the pillows that are on there is not what's going to be on there for spring. I'm going more light and airy, but I think that this styling just suits me. And I love the way that it turned out. You're actually going to get to see the style that I chose. But I love the way that it looks. It's very simple, it's very neutral, and it's calming. That's what I need in my space. I need calm. So I am super excited about it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys, so this is my final pick. I think that it's just very simple and elegant, and you can still rest, you know, cups and things. I have to actually go out and grab some coasters so we can put our cups and whatever, our drinks on there. But I just love it so, so much. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I got this table. And it is such the best size. Like, it's the right size for my living room, for the sectional, and I feel like it just completes it. And I love it so much. Love, love, love it so much. Like right now I'm sitting down and it's not obstructing my view. I still got to get rid of my Valentine's Day garland, but it's not obstructing my view, and it's such a beautiful table. You guys, I feel like I can put my feet up and relax and just enjoy the fire in the winter, and you know, the cool sun breeze, the cool breeze in the summer, and just enjoy my coffee table. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the coffee table? And it was super inexpensive, you guys. I got it from Target. I will leave the link down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing it. And the assembly was so easy. It was a very easy, probably one of the easiest furniture assemblies that I've ever done. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Also, you guys, it goes with the, I just realized that it goes with my side table right here. The bottom of it is white, of course, but it's so funny because I got this from Amazon and I got the coffee table from Target, but it goes so well together with the legs and everything, that modern farmhouse touch. No matter what I do, I was trying to get away from farmhouse, but y'all, it's in my blood. I just love farmhouse decor and design, but modern farmhouse. So I love it. I love it so much. Kayla Beezy. Yeah, so I love it, you guys. I love it so much. Now all I got to do is get some artwork for this wall and do a few little things and get a new rug, and we are done in here. But I love the way that this thing turned out. So fams, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found it informative and that you gained some type of inspiration and ideas from what you've seen here today. Again, I am so grateful that you guys took the time out of your busy day to spend it with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.